Hello Sabadi, welcome to my channel. My name is Nali. Today I'm going to show you how I make my chicken tenders crispy and crunchy. Alright, let's get started. Okay, right here I have some thawed out chicken breasts, skinless. I'm going to go ahead and trim whatever I can. But how I cut it is lengthwise, just like this. So just repeat the process and cut out as much as you need. I'm making it for dinner for my whole family today, so we're going to make a bunch. If you want, you could always cut the chicken tender like thinner or thicker, or even cut it into cubes and turn it into like chicken nugget size. Okay, now that we got all of our chicken tender cut, I'm gonna go ahead and add the seasoning right here that I have. And for the seasoning, I'm keeping it basic. I just have salt and pepper, some ground up garlic, onion, and some chicken seasoning. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that all over our chicken tender slice. And I marinate it like really good to make sure all the pieces gets coated with it. Oh yeah, and I almost forgot. Can't forget the paprika. I love putting this on. So excuse me for using my hand. I don't have any gloves right now. So go ahead and mix it really good. Make sure every single piece gets coated with the spice. If you like the video so far, hit like. You can let this marinate in the fridge for 30 minutes to an hour. But we're really hungry, so I'm just going to go ahead and fry them up right now. But before I do that, let's work on our egg wash. Our egg wash, I just add in some spicy sauce. This is the medium sriracha chili sauce. And if you don't like it spicy, you don't have to add any spicy sauce to your egg wash. All right, let's get started on the egg wash. Since I have a lot of chicken tenders, I am using a total of 3 large eggs. So go ahead and crack in your 3 large eggs in a separate bowl. And like I mentioned earlier, I'm going to make my egg wash spicy. And if you don't want it spicy, you could skip this part and don't add any. So I'm going to go ahead and whisk this up really good. Okay, done whisking the egg mix. Wow, what a workout. Now let's get our panko ready. This is the panko I use. It's the panko Japanese style breadcrumbs. And oh my gosh, this is what I use when I want to make everything crispy when I'm frying it up. Even like fried oysters, fried fish, fried shrimp, anything. And if you like, you could always add in some seasoning to this, the breadcrumbs. But I'm just going to leave it plain because I already marinate my chicken tenders and my egg wash already have the spiciness that I need. Okay, now that I have my breadcrumbs, my egg wash, and my chicken tender marinated, I'm going to go ahead and assemble this. What I'm going to do is dip the chicken tenders in the egg wash, and then I'm going to coat it with the breadcrumbs. And when I'm coating it with the breadcrumbs, make sure you push the breadcrumbs into the chicken tender so that way all the crispiness gets into it when you're frying it. Just like this. And what I'm going to do is repeat the whole process over and over again until I get all my chicken tenders coated. And if you find this video helpful so far, please hit like, comment below, and subscribe for future video. Okay, let's get back to making our crispy chicken tender. Okay, now that we got all of our chicken tenders coated, let's go ahead and start our oil. But before that, wash your hand and try not to lick it. I know it's tempting sometimes, but don't do it. It's chicken, it's raw. Here, I'm going to add some cooking oil. Use whatever cooking oil you like. So this is on a medium to high heat, more of a medium heat. So you want to wait till the oil gets hot, then go ahead and put in your chicken tenders. And just make sure you don't overcrowd your pan. I just put 3 at a time. And since my chicken tender is not too thick, I was just able to cook it on each side 4.5 minutes. And then just flip it, and once you see it that it's golden brown, then you know it's ready. But if you cut it to a thicker slice, it's going to take a longer time to cook. So it really depends on how thin or thick you cut your chicken tenders. So what I'm going to do is repeat the process till all my chicken tenders done. You see how it's golden brown like that? That's when you know it's done and that it's not overcooked. So go ahead and repeat the whole process. You want to put it in the drying rack and let it cool down, and don't serve it when it's too hot. So cook everything, put it in a drying rack just like this. Look how beautiful and golden brown it is. So once that has been cooled down for a little bit, you just want to serve it with your favorite sauce. Like right now I have my ranch, my sweet sour sauce, and then barbecue sauce, and also the spicy mango habanero sauce to your right. Oh my gosh, I just can't wait to dig into it. So I really hope you enjoyed the video. And I hope you try making it and enjoy it with your family and kids or friends. And comment below with the word yes if you plan to make this recipe. Thank you so much again for watching. Enjoy.